Yeah, buddy, it's getting cold. You know what that means? We got to make us some hot sandwiches. So today we're going to make us a hot ham and cheese. Now, this ain't going to be any normal hot ham and cheese. We're going to season this thing up with some Uncle Steve's original seasoning. And we're going to toast this ham up a little bit and toast this bread and melt that cheese. It's going to be so good. Very simple to do. One of our favorites around here. You really got to try this out. But before we get to doing all that, hey, we're just going to cut to the chase today. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, get all that done. Really help us out. Ring that bell notification. You don't miss on anything. We got some really big changes coming to this channel. A lot of big news coming up. There'll be a video coming out soon about that. So be sure to check that out. While you're liking, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, and bell ringing, whatever you're doing, be sure to check out all the other links down there in the description, man. We got a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram, Twitter. We have a, what do we have? Oh, yeah, we have an email. We have a P.O. box if you want to send us anything. Hey, you know, Wall could use some more stuff. Who knows? And there's also a link to a recipe playlist down there. So be sure to check out that link. You may find another recipe you really like better than this one. It's going to be hard to find, I know, but there may be one in there. So be sure to check that out. With all that said, get all that done, we got to fire this thing up. Man, this griddle is cold. We got to fix that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just fire these three here up. Going to leave this far one off. Oh, yeah. We're going to turn them down to about, I don't know, about a medium. A little over the medium, maybe. Get that fired up. Let's show you some groceries. Now, this is very simple, but so good. Now, of course, you're going to make hot ham and cheese, you got to have bread. Now, normally I would use like a Texas toast, but believe it or not, couldn't find any. So we just have some normal, regular white bread. I did get some deli sliced ham, about a pound of it we're going to use there. We're going to kind of cut it up and chop it up and put on a griddle. Two different kind of cheese. We have a Colby Monterey Jack cheese back there in the back, and then we have a Swiss. Now, I'm going to use both. Now, use whatever kind of cheese you want to use, you do that. Of course, we got some butter. And there is what's going to be some good stuff there. Let's see, turn the sunshine where you can see. The Uncle Steve shake. That is some, you've never seen me use this stuff on this channel before, but you will start seeing it a lot more often. There's several different kind of flavors and stuff of that we're going to use, so check them out. All right. The griddle is sending us some smoke signals. It's telling us it's time to cook, so we're going to throw this ham up in here. Now, this ham, as you see, I got it shaved kind of thin. So what we're going to do is just kind of rip it up, throw it on here. Now, how you want to do it, and if you want to leave them whole, that's fine. I'm just going to rip this up, cook it up. Get it all on here, all good and like, oh yeah. Okay, all the ham is on. We got to season this. I mean, ham's good by itself, but you throw this Uncle Steve's on here, this original, oh, buddy. Give it a good dusting. Mix it up. And yeah, gotta love seeing that steam coming off this griddle on a cool morning like this. Ooh, that smell of Uncle Steve's on this griddle. Yeah, buddy. Now what we're trying to do is just kind of give this ham a char. An extra layer of flavor, if you will. Kind of just pat that down, let that cook. Y'all really need smell-o-vision, smell YouTube, something, because man, this is unreal coming off this griddle right now with that Uncle Steve shake. Man, if this thing tastes half as good as it smells, it's gonna be outrageously good. I just every now and then come through here and kind of just give it a stir. As far as how you want your pieces all cut up or whatever, that's completely up to you. Okay, y'all, this ham is pretty much done like I want it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So what we're gonna do, and yeah, I've already tasted a piece of it. It is so good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this ham over. We're gonna start building our sandwiches and we're gonna toast them up. So let's get this ham over here. It's a little bit cooler. Right there. For where we can still get to it. Tuck our spatulas in. Get some bread up here. Let's start building our sandwiches, y'all. Now, you build your sandwiches the way you want to build them. I'm going to show you how I'm going to build mine, make an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. We're going to start off with some Swiss. That's right, some Swiss. I'm going to layer some Kobe Jack. Get some ham up on here. Pile it up, buddy. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared. Pile it up. All right, let's go back with some more Swiss. And some more Kobe Jack. There you go. Let's make another one. This time, I'm going to use 2 Kobe Jacks in a Swiss. Some ham. Oh, buddy, look at that. Two more Kobe Monterey Jacks. And some Swisses. And there you go. Those are ready. Let's griddle them up. Let's get some butter down. Now, I'm going to turn these burners down to low, y'all. We want them to be buttery. Let's get them on here. Now, let's check it out and give her a flip. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, we're losing ham. We're losing ham. That's okay. That's okay. We can use those on the next one. Because as you see, I got more ham left. Got more cheese, more bread. Crazy Crew's got to eat here in a little bit. But I'm making these for maybe me and a couple other people. Can't ever tell. Now, if you want to melt this cheese down good, dome them up. Now, this is going to be awesome. All right, y'all. Y'all ready for the big reveal? Check this out. Look at that. Y'all. You want to make some awesome hot ham and cheese sandwiches. Don't just, put some ham and some cheese on there and make these. Let's take a look at these things. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at the cheese skirt. Huh? What? Y'all, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We got to try these things out. Y'all, it's just that easy to make some awesome, delicious, hot ham and cheese sandwiches. It ain't got to be boring, just a piece of ham, no seasoning, cheese, a little toast. You can really step it up by just doing a few little simple steps like we did to make some awesome, awesome sandwiches. But we can talk about this all day long. I really have to dig into this and really try it out. I want you to see the awesome creation that we have created here at the Crazy Acres. Check this out. Now, I don't know how you cut your sandwiches. Crazy kids like theirs cut like this. Not a ham falling out of there, y'all. You ready for this, y'all? Ta-da! Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Now they have cooled off a little bit because I was taking pictures. So you don't have that cheese pull. As you can see, it is really cheesy. Let's try that. The moment of truth has arrived. So I'm going to try this one here out. You know, we've cut it already. Crazy kids are out doing something or whatever. I don't know. They'll be back here in a little bit and get some of this for themselves. But for right now, I'm going to try it out. Mmm. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Yeah. Let me get done eating here. A big bite. That Uncle Steve shake has took this to a whole nother level. I mean, you got hot ham and cheeses. You have other, whatever. You add some of that Uncle Steve shake on there and you griddle that ham just a little bit. And you add all this cheese on there. Man, you got to give this a try. I mean, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So, if you do try this, or if you have a different way of making them, whatever, let us know down in the comments. We'd love to know. If you haven't tried this yet, you got to try it. You really do. So, with all that being said, don't forget to ring that bell notification when you do hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. Love having you here. Like I said before, big changes coming up. Stay tuned for that video. Good changes. You're going to like this. So, get all that done. I got to finish these before the crazy kids show up and see I might actually have some. We'll see you next time.